Now that I've got my wings fixed the way I want them to be, we're going to work on the tail section. We need to fold the tail section in and kind of bob it off a bit as the eagle's tail would be. So if we look down here, you can see I finally got my wing corrected here, the way they're supposed to look. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece here, I'm just going to fold it up like so, creating that crease in there that I need. And here I'm just going to take and open this up. So, just kind of fold after I get it opened up here. I'm going to take this and just fold it back in there, out of the way, because I don't need it. Crease it back the way it should be. And we'll do the same thing with the bottom part here. Just open it up. Push it back in there. There we go. 2 pieces we don't need, out of the way.